Is your Strava GPS all over the place? Here's how to fix activities with incorrect data fast. First, remember accuracy mostly depends on your device, not the app. If you run multiple tracking apps at once and Strava's just in the background, it can lose data. For better accuracy going forward, record with a dedicated GPS watch or use one tracking app at a time on your phone. To fix an activity you've already recorded, do this on the Strava website. Desktop works best. Open the activity, click the three dots menu on the left, and choose correct distance. Strava will recalculate your distance based on the map track and known map data. If your route line is roughly accurate, this usually produces more realistic distance and pace. Quick recap: don't multi record with several apps, prefer a watch or a single app for clean. GPS, and for past activities, use correct distance on the web to tidy up the numbers. That's the verified community solution a lot of athletes use, and it works. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. See